Hello everyone. Today's topic is concept of drift velocity and its calculation. Dear students, we had learned in the last class thermal velocities of electron in a conductor. Thermal velocities of electron. Here, concept of drift velocity. Concept of drift velocity. Suppose this is a conductor. This conductor has large number of free electrons. This conductor have large number of free electrons and positive metal ions, because conductor made by atoms. Conductor made by atoms. This is a conductor. As we know that conductor have large number of free electrons and ions. If we apply the external electric field, if we apply the external field across a conductor, what will happen? Its free electron accelerated in the direction opposite to the direction of electric field. Means if we apply the electric field across a conductor, all the free electrons accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of what? Electric field. Means this is the direction of electron. This is the direction of what? Electron. When we apply the external field across a conductor, all the electrons of a conductor accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of applied electric field. During this acceleration, the electrons gain extra forces or velocities. Extra forces or velocities. But for a short duration. During this acceleration, all the free electrons gain extra forces or velocities, but for a short duration, because the accelerated electrons collide with other electrons and metal ions. Because accelerated electrons collide with other electrons and ions. During this collision, the electrons gain velocities is destroyed. जो वेलोसिटी अप्लाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के कारण यह गेन किया था, वह ड्यूरिंग कॉलिजन क्या होगा? वह जो गेन किया हुआ वेलोसिटीज है, जो गेन किया हुआ एक्स्ट्रा फोर्स है, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. अगेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेट एक्सीलरेटेड एंड कम टू रेस्ट with the collision of other electrons and ions. Therefore, the motion of electrons like pause means stop and go, because due to collision means the motion of electron like what? Pause means stop, go, pause, stop, go, due to collision with other electrons and ions. As the net result, what will say? The electrons acquires a minimum velocity, and this minimum velocity is called what? Drift velocity of electron in the opposite direction of applied electric field. Once again, if we applied the external electric field across a conductor, what will happen? All the free electrons accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. Opposite to the direction of electric field, because this side is plus, this side will be plus, and this side will be minus. Means if we apply the electric field across a conductor, all the free electrons accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. Due to acceleration, the electrons gain extra forces or velocities, but for a short duration. बहुत कम समय के लिए यह फोर्सेस, एक्स्ट्रा फोर्सेस को गेन करेगा और वेलोसिटीज को, बिकॉज accelerated electrons collide with other electrons and metal ions. जो शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है? ड्यू टू collision with other electrons and positive metal ion. During this collision, the electrons gain velocities. Is destroyed. The extra velocities is gained. The extra velocities gained is destroyed during collision. After that, we can say what? Again, all the electrons accelerated. And come to rest due to collide with other electrons and ions. Means the motion of electrons like stop and go due to collision with other electrons and ions. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ collision होगा तो repulsion होगा, disturbance होगा. आयंस के साथ होगा अट्रैक्शन होगा, वहां भी डिस्टर्बेंस होगा. तो स्टॉप, फिर रिपल्सन हुआ, गो. Attraction, stop, repulsion, go. Means the motion of electrons like pause means stop and go. As the net result, we can say that the electrons acquire minimum velocity, and the minimum velocity is called what? Drift velocity of electron in the opposite direction of applied electric field. Explanation is here. When an electric field is applied across a conductor, what will happen? Its free electrons accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of applied what? Electric field. Due to acceleration, the electrons gain extra forces or velocities, but for a short duration, बहुत कम समय के लिए रहेगा, but for a short duration, because what is the reason? Collision. Because the electrons collide with other electrons and ions. During this collision, what will happen? the extra velocity gained is destroyed. During this collision, the extra velocities gain is destroyed. Again, the electrons get accelerated and come to rest. Why? Due to collision. Due to collision. Therefore, the motion of electrons, what? Like pause means stop and go. Therefore, the motion of electrons like pause means stop and go. As the net result, what will say? As the net result, the electrons acquire minimum velocity. And this minimum velocity of free electrons in a conductor, the minimum velocity of free electron, and this minimum velocity gained by the free electrons in a conductor is called what? Drift velocity is called drift velocity when external electric field applied across a conductor. So this is the concept of drift velocity. So the definition of drift velocity is what? The minimum velocity gained by the free electron in a conductor. Because conductor has large number of free electrons. If we external electric field applied across a conductor, all the free electrons accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. So here the definition of drift velocity is what? The minimum velocity gained by the free electrons in a conductor in the opposite direction of external applied electric field is known as what? Drift velocity. Now we calculate formula of drift velocity. Formula of drift velocity means expression for drift velocity. Expression for drift velocity or speed. Consider a conductor under the influence of electric field. Under the influence of electric field. What will happen? As we know that conductor has large number of electrons and ions. When we applied an external electric field across a conductor, all the free electrons accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. Means all the electrons gain extra forces or velocities due to external electric field applied across a conductor. Consider a conductor under the influence of what? Electric field E. Now what will happen? All the free electron accelerated in a direction opposite to the direction of applied electric field. Means all the electrons of a conductor gain extra forces. Or velocities. Now the force on each electron is given as how much? We know that force is equal to QE, charge into electric field. So charge of an electron minus E into electric field E. This is equation 1. And the acceleration on each electron, is given as how much? So we know that according to the formula of force, F is equal to what? MA. So here force is equal to MA. A is equal to what? So therefore A is equal to force by mass. The value of A here, the value of F, putting the value of F in equation, suppose this is equation 2. The value of F, putting the value of F in equation 2. Putting the value of what? F in equation where? 2. We get what? The vector A is equal to value of F minus E into electric field divided by M. This is the value of acceleration on each electron. Now we take one condition. Means if no electric field, suppose if no electric field applied across a conductor, then as we know that the average thermal velocity is what? 0. Means there is no net flow of charges. In any direction. Here, if no electric field is applied across a conductor, then what will happen? The average thermal velocity is equal to 0. Then the average thermal velocity is equal to 0. So from first equation of motion. We take from first equation of motion. What is the equation? V is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Here, this is the condition. Suppose no electric field is applied across a conductor, then average velocity is equal to what? 0. So here, V is equal to average velocity is what? 0 plus value of A. Value of A is what? Minus E into electric field divided by M into time. This time is denoted by tau. Tau is what? Relaxation time. Relaxation time means between two successive collision. The time between two successive collision is known as relaxation time. Where if the electron collide with other electrons and ions, means क्या होगा? जब आयंस के साथ होगा तो अट्रैक्ट होगा, और जब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के साथ सेम चार्जेस के साथ होगा तो रिपेल होगा. पॉज होगा एंड गो होगा. उस समय क्या होगा? रिलैक्स होगा. कुछ टाइम उसका क्या होगा? इंस्टेंटेनियस टाइम के लिए वो क्या होगा? रिलैक्स. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. मींस सक्सेसिव कॉलिजन. ड्यूरिंग सक्सेसिव कॉलिजन जो टाइम होगा उसको कहते हैं हम लोग रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट स्पीड और वेलोसिटी डिनोटेड बाय vd is equal to what? Minus E into electric field divided by M into tau. This is in vector form. In magnitude में वैल्यू क्या होगा? In magnitude we can retain as drift velocity is equal to E into electric field minus E into electric field divided by M into Vd equal to E into E divided by M into tau. This is the value of drift velocity in magnitude form. So this is the expression, this is the value of drift velocity, this is the formula of drift velocity. Vd equal to charge of an electron into electric field divided by M into tau.